The traditional classroom experience of being physically present is no longer the only teaching or training option. Online learning has been on the rise in recent years due to COVID, the growth of the internet, accessibility, and new technologies. Welcome to the course, Getting Started with Online Teaching. Hello, my name is Leah Schmerling. I'm the course writer and founder of Career Coaching and Training. As many schools, universities, and workplaces adapt to online delivery, you will also need to adjust your teaching or training to online delivery with a student-centered approach to engage your students. Current curriculum and teaching methodologies need to be modified to produce engaging classes and sessions in the online environment. It requires both a mind shift and a physical shift to pivot. The online environment is vibrant with content, activities, new ideas, and interaction between you and the students. With over 36 years of experience in education, corporate training, and online teaching, it is with pleasure that I share with you my passion for teaching with principles and strategies. The course aims to support you to adapt your teaching practice from face-to-face to online using researched educational practices with strategies to teach in a diverse online environment, develop a growth mindset to shift from face-to-face to online teaching, and apply a student-centered approach to your teaching to support your student learning and engagement. We are proud that the course has received international certification by the Institute of Learning and Performance, where you can claim CPD points. By achieving certification, you will have demonstrated your skills, knowledge, and expertise to meet the latest industry standards. Enjoy your learning and applying the content to your life and practice.